Ahoy, sailor! I am Captain El Pescador, and this training is for you. Since you hold an executive role, or you are a board of directors member, the corporate environment is a constant target of cyber attacks and fraud attempts. Attackers develop specific bait for directors and executives since their high level of access within the company increases the possibility of an attack. The losses get bigger as the employee's status goes up. Let's talk about phishing. Phishing consists of a malicious message sent by email, SMS, or phone call that tries to persuade you to click and deliver sensitive information, like your bank account or credit card information, access credentials, files, and others. It is important to know that there are many types of phishing. But for the purpose of this training, we'll divide them into two categories. The first type is common phishing. It is like phishing with nets. The attacker sends a message to thousands of recipients and catches many at a time. The second type is spear phishing. It is directed at a specific target, like an executive or a company. Notice that you are an interesting target for the second type. Spear phishing. The attacker takes advantage of the fact that you are responsible transferring funds and so on. Besides that, because that trust makes people follow instructions without questioning. Now you must be asking yourself, but how do these attacks happen? This is what we'll see next. To attempt a spear phishing attack, the attacker studies the victim and takes advantage of information available on social networks, like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Let's say an attacker finds out that you like to travel. He then creates a malicious email tailored specifically for you about a big sale on plane tickets and hotel stays at one of your favorite destinations. The message tries to get you to click on something by appearing as authentic as possible. Yet the message contains a malicious link or document with information pertaining to the sale. By clicking on the link or downloading the file, you may be compromising the security of your computer and data. From there on, the attacker may record everything you type, including passwords. Search your email by subject, like payments and financial transactions. Identify people responsible for approving critical operations, like buying goods. Set up emails instruct to perform bank transfers in the name of a company director. Transform the computer into a zombie that will execute actions directed by the attacker. To avoid this from happening, some measures must be taken. There are simple actions that can reduce the chances of being victim to a phishing attack. Take a look at some tips. Beware of suspicious emails, example, extraordinary sales, urgent requests, data confirmation, etc. Neither open nor click links in suspicious email, and establish a routine for leading them before opening or clicking. Match with the sender. Always validate orders or authorization personally before executing. Be careful with what you share on the internet, avoid oversharing as much as possible, and set your social networks for maximum privacy. Encourage information security training programs in all corporate hierarchy levels. See you later, sailor. And remember, stop and think before clicking. When in doubt, don't click.